Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this time is a solemn moment. This time is the truth of the matter. This time is why we are here. Because remember that the main thing we are doing today is Cultural Day, and the target and aim is to prepare our youth for leadership, for sustenance, for transmission of all the virtues inherent in our Igbo culture. At this time, please pay your attention as we bring out the youth, as we get them prepared so that they will be ready to take over the baton of leadership and cultural revival. We have done so much to bring ORA Houston to this level we are today.
Hi.
We have done so much to maintain this association as the highest and the biggest and the most continuous cultural society in the entire America.
DJ Alex in the building.
All the fathers and all the mothers gathered here together who have sacrificed to make this happen. A round of applause. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, at this time, join me with a round of applause to welcome to the microphone the man of the moment, the current president of ORA Houston, Chief Longinus Nwameme Ezaneche. Let me also at this time invite all the pillar present here. Isupila Kajetalo Fefle to please step out. Idato Chief Obiwo Somomasa to please step out. Orlu Onye Awara Onye NS Omugaro Onye please step out, and that of Chief Arubarako. Engineer Johnny, we welcome you. Please let all of them step out as we join hands to establish this. Let me finally invite the leadership of OWPU. If the ebullient and most active president is here, let her join our president, my president, Chief Chile Nwameme.
ORA Houston. ORA Houston.
Okay.
ORLU Women Progressive Union. Umunwanyi Ejemba. OWPU.
My president.
President, Dr. Mrs. Orlu. President of Isu Ejemba People. Let us Tawan Eba. President of Orlu. And
this is our original princess. Any other one? Hey, any other? Yes.
People, absolute attention, absolute audience. Yobolan Neme. Yana 2 minutes to exhaust this. Igolu. Because animal.
Don't worry.
Go come here and join here. And Anima Opa, because behind the men here, we are trying to, Madam President, I not try if you the formidable youth spring, and we cannot give up. So it doesn't matter how many times we have tried, and we keep trying, but I think this time, by the grace of God, we will come triumphant. Because I'm a Topaka High Chief MD Yogu. Come here, come to Tampa Benra Yaka. this endeavor. Chief Orlu, Chief Orlu, around.
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, there, Dalisa.
No, you're not talking about Chief Orlu, my Chief Orlu.
Hi, Chief Orlu.
Hi, Chief.
O se tele, gba yo se tele. Eso. No, dalo kwano. Yes. Hi sis, dalo no. Yes. Yes. Everybody's gonna come out. Yes, I may tag a post here on a platform. So on your like weekend.
ORA Houston.
So can someone just explain what we are doing here today for us? Can anyone just tell us why we are here? Can somebody volunteer to tell us why we are here? Yes, I'm going to interview her. Madam Dalo? Okay, so you understand Igbo, right? Okay, please, can you tell us why we are here?
Yeah, we are here to celebrate our culture.
Hold on, can you give speaker? Hello, madam. Yes, so I can see that a lot of people are here. So who are these people here?
So we are here. We are all from the Igbo tribe in Nigeria.
Okay.
And we are celebrating a special day established by our cultural union here in Houston, Texas.
What's the name of the union?
The union is Orlu Regional Assembly.
Orlu Regional Assembly. Okay, now hi chafu bogene. Now hi chafu ya bogene. ORA US.
ORA USA.
Now fe chafu ya bogene.
Now fe chafu ya bo ORA USA.
Very good. Okay.
ORA Houston.
Okay, ORA Houston
We
US.
do this every year annually to ensure that we pass down our tradition, our culture to our offspring in diaspora.
Oh, that's very good.
And that the goal is to grow this to the point where it will be recognized by the probably the local government and the state government.
Of course. Yes.
That is our goal.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So let me go and
everyone that's listening, that we need all hands on deck. We want to be able to carry this on and be the ones to lead from here on out. So last year was great. This year was better. Hopefully next year is just us and not the parents, right? So we can be able to make this our legacy and also being more involved into our culture. But that's all I have for today, but I want you guys to just have the conversation tonight. And we have a group chat, we have all means of communication, so if you want to be a part of this, please just come to me. I'll be all over the place. Just ask me questions and I can make you guys, a part of what we have going on. So thank you guys.
You're welcome. Hey! Hold it. This is speaker. Just hold it.
Okay. That the next year they would like to be on the driver's seat, and we will be the audience. That's our expectation. That's our goal. We'll be holding you to this statement today by next year. So, Bingo, let me also like our national vice president, our formidable member here to speak. After that, I'd like some little comment from our OWPU president, Dr. Umunwanyi.
Because I am not saying anything I have said already made some remarks, but at this point, he say Vivian Onwemeka is the one standing here. She's the only one. So we have called for volunteers to come in and assist her to get this leadership going. Unfortunately for us, two of our young people have volunteered to assist, to come to lead leadership. So let me call on them or let them come. Victor, where you were? Are you still here? Yeah, come on, please. And I'm calling one of our daughters as well. Miss, yeah, come on, please.
Cover the food.
Okay. So, Biko, can you guys give them a hand of applause? And do we have more people that can volunteer to join this group? If you want to volunteer, please, this is the time to come out. Very soon, they will be reaching out to you, and I'm telling you, or the president of our union here will tell you that from the women's side, I have the women's president here, and the men's side, I have the president. They will give you every support, and the rep from each of those two wings that will assist you with everything that you will need to make sure that we have a formidable youth organization going forward. You know, we started this many years ago. A lot of you are aware of that. So we are trying to... Okay, thank you very much. This is the younger Ejemba. Join them over there. So I'm going to hand this microphone over to the president. Thank you.
Thank you so much. What happened is the national vice president has said it all. We are still seeking for volunteers. On the women's side, they will be bringing, in due course, they will be having a youth director. On the men's side, we already have a youth director, but we'll be able to coordinate with the youth as time goes on. So that is the goal, and I'm glad I thank the people that have come up, that volunteered. And if you are also volunteering, please indicate or just signify by coming up. We are looking for leaders that are enthusiastic, for the youth that are enthusiastic in making sure that we're moving this youth forward. The stagnancy is no more. We don't want any stagnancy. We want activity and productivity and movement in the right direction. So next year, the youth will be rolling this. So we expect this for you to set the ball rolling after tonight. But let me give the microphone because she's very busy. Dr. Ms. Orlu, she will questions demand.
Good evening, everyone. ORA Houston. ORA Houston. Also brilliant today. We are really prepared. We've been working so hard for the men, for our children. Congratulations to the youth that volunteered to run this show. You guys are the leaders of tomorrow. So all I'm saying is I will make sure I give my maximum support to you, the youth. We are bringing more youth to also to join. Hopefully, like you guys look around, your dad, your mom, we'll still retire. Then it'll be your turn now to lead these ORA Houston affiliates. So whatever you guys need, we are here to help you. Don't feel discouraged. You can do this. You can do it. We all know where we come from. You all are children of Orlu. ORA youth. ORA Houston. Thank you, everybody. The women, please, I'm appealing to everyone. We have worked so hard. We want to make sure our husband eats, our guests, everyone gets entertained. OWPU Women, the ones that haven't eaten, please indicate, come to the kitchen, get your food. I just want the men to be sound, to be taken care of. Thank you. Today will be a memorable one. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Madam President. Thank you, Madam President.
Okay, I think it's...
Yeah, so Vivian, you will... Vivian, I thank you also for being here. I know she was supposed to be in Detroit like she told me, but she stayed back to make sure that she is here today. I want you to exchange information, and we want to make sure that we record the names of the youth that are here today, so that they can start being incorporated in their youth forum for a greater opportunity. And for ORA Houston, our youth director at this moment is Honorable Franklin Ezendiokwe. The OWPU will be presenting their own youth director. At that time, they can now liaise with the youth to provide them the support or the leverage that they need to move the youth forward. Thank you so much, Honorable Secretary and MC.
Please, a round of applause to His Excellency, the first citizen of ORA Houston in Texas, Chief Bodinos Mohammed. Now, at this time, Oda Karakerugun, Nkiri Kale Kiri Odo News, Nkiri Kala Abuko Sadani Yelu. Every year to the marry, where the Nala, where year to the Maramba, or Pana, who women. Before say, I Ugom Sinachi Mo Keshina na ant hole, repeta Ubua, Oga repeta Ubua. Or repeta Onyaban also.
Can I have this?
Or repeta Onyaban also. DJ, hey, Machaya Lemma, woman. Oga Kesi, man. Hey, this is our Livino Sezikozo. Oshimini. Oshimini is a custodian of the culture. Oshimini, the warehouse of our cultural heritage. Oshimini is here. Oh, woman. Is the one open is the Megan on the government, man? I didn't go back in my year.
Hey, na ndị ka ya ọnụ kpanaka o na we don o egwu ayo wa gbawole. This one is masquerade. So the masquerade is dancing, moving about, you know. That's a kind of entertaining people. So this is our masquerade, African masquerade. Yeah. Mmanwụ shinne. Mmanwụ shinne. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Look at that. This masquerade is big. Oh, wait. Oh my God. Just look at that. Look at that. Wow. Whoa. See? The masquerade is entertaining. Oh. Yeah. See this beautiful couple. I love their style. See how they are so beautiful, handsome, entertaining themselves, This shows that they are really in love. They are in peace. Wow, I love what I'm saying. Keep it up, sir. Keep it up, sir and ma. Yes. So here, dining and whining, eating and drinking is still going on, guys. Orlu people knows how to enjoy. Trust me. Orlu people. If you want entertainment, enjoyment, hey, just name Orlu people. See how they are enjoying themselves. you know. Food, everything, drink, yakpata. Oh my goodness. I love my people. I unapologetically love my people. These are the best people on this earth. All people, they are the best. You guys rocks. So now let's usher in the women dancing group, ORA Houston Women dancing group. So let's usher them in as they are going to entertain everybody. You're gonna see beautiful dancing steps. So keep watching, guys. ORA Houston, Ishimiri. ORA Houston, Ishimiri. Ishimiri, ORA Houston. Yes, ORA USA is the best association I've ever seen. So keep watching to entertain yourself. ORA Houston, Ishimiri. ORA Houston, Ishimiri. Ishimiri, ORA Houston. Yes, sir. Naga, ndoma, carry good. Hey, you got one y'all, chai. Hey, all over ndoma, all over the best. Grand Lioness herself, Abata n'ọgbọ. Yes, egwu dị ya. Egwu dị ya. Ọra Houston. Isi mmiri. Nwanyị na-ayọrị na-egwu ọnụ. Egwu dị ya. ORA Houston, ORA Houston, Ishimiri, ORA Houston, naga, very good, asampete nwanyị ọma ndị lọlọ ndị chief ndị dọkịta ndị Chineke tere mmanụ ORA Houston women the best women nwanyị ọma dịka ha na-amụke nwanyị ọma na-amakacha ORA Houston women ndị ọma ORA Houston isi mmiri ORA Houston isi mmiri nwanyị ORA Houston for the best good manipulation everything ha gatara ihe niile tinye ya n'aka ndị ọma guys, this is African Lioness TV, home of entertainment. So in case you have any event to do, just let us know. We're gonna cover your event. Okay?
I
Dalusa. Ademma.
And that's why it's coming from the wind. Don't go. Just keep drinking.
Yeah.
And people, organizers, have a trainer in Henneken.
Ademma.
Henneken.
Henneken.
Where is Dr. Clifford? Where is Dr. Clifford? My president. We need Henneken. Why are we still like that? Henneken, let them go to that station.
ORA, kende na abụọ ya.
DJ, roll the dice. Let's go.
Okay, ORA Houston, USA.